All right, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from the land of the morning calm, South Korea. It's a nice sunny day here, March 20th at 8 a.m. I'm going to do my first unboxing of vinyl LP records. My very first one. I have never bought LPs ever online, not eBay, no nowhere. So I found this Korean shop that deals in Korean records, USA pressings, and Japanese vinyl. And I was just browsing through it and I saw a couple of Paul McCartney Wings albums from a Japan pressing. And they were my favorite two McCartney Wings albums, Venus and Mars and Band on the Run. So from Japan through Korea. So here's the box I ordered. It's like a pizza box. I guess I have never ever ordered albums online. Not eBay. The last album I got on in a box that I ordered was back in the Columbia House days, where you pay a penny and get like 13 albums. It was like 1978. And I quit collecting around 2000. So eBay was probably new then. All right, so here we go, my first unboxing of vinyl. Okay, let me tape it up good. I'll cut myself here. All right. Well, to get an A for packing. All right, here we go. Pizza box. Okay, some Korean newspaper. And here we go. We got the two albums. Your bubble wrap. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, let's start with Band on the Run. Okay, we got a nice sleeve. All right, Band on the Run. Very nice. Nice sleeve. I've been watching a lot of vinyl records, and I've been watching them open them with these weird sticky sleeves. So we never had these back in the 80s. I've never seen that like that. I hear them when they open this up, and I'm always thinking, wow, what if that stickiness gets stuck to the LP cover? I guess this is the new way how they put their vinyl on their sleeves, where I used to use those plastic sleeves. I used to buy those at the record stores. Okay, so let's take this out, see what we got. Band on the Run. Very nice sleeve. Smooth. Very small little crease there. Can't even barely see it. Sleeve is excellent. Give that an A. Nice sleeve. Okay, see what the goodies are. Okay. So you got your sleeve. I remember this on the US pressing I had. Lyrics on the back. Paul, Linda, and Danny with some kids in Africa. Okay, there's your little sleeve there. Wow. Now, when I ordered it, it did say VG. This is VG Plus. I'm trying to see if I see any scratches or anything. Very, very, I don't see nothing on this. A very minimal surface, maybe, that has been played, but it's not mint, but it's a VG Plus. And clean. All right, so VG Plus on that. Being the first time I ordered online, I didn't know what I was getting. Okay, so you got the album, you got the sleeve with the lyrics, just like the original pressing, USA. I think there's some more stuff in here. kind of heavy. Okay, what else we got? Cool. Okay, I didn't expect this. I don't even remember having this with the USA copy I had. So, we got some kind of poster here. Wow. I did not ever, no, I never seen this. Got some big poster here. Wow. Is that cool? Cool souvenir or what? And it's very good shape, so I don't think nobody ever put it on the wall. Yeah, a couple little minor, probably age stains, very minor. A lot of cool pictures of the recording of this album. A lot of pictures. Paul, Linda, the band, and looks like studio engineers. Anyway, very cool, huge poster. All right, got the poster. There's something else in here. And it's got Japanese writing, band on the run. Wow. It's got some. It's like a little, well, it's like a mini poster. It's got lyrics. Okay, on the back here, it's got lyrics in Japanese and English. Very cool. It's one part of it, and there's another part. It must be side A and side B here. Side A and side B, yeah. More lyrics. Lyrics on Japanese and English. Wow, you got the whole set on this album. Got these two inserts of each side. You got a full page poster, plus the original insert, lyrics, and On the Run from Japan. Out here in Korea, I paid American dollars, $5 for this. I saw it pop up on the site. I've been looking at the site for a couple weeks, and all of a sudden I saw it pop up. I snagged it. It was like $5 American. Pretty cool. Okay, stuff's big. Okay, well, there we go. Band on the Run. Made in Japan. Okay, next LP. It's probably my favorite Wings LP. I remember my uncle having this album when it came out. He had the poster on his wall. My first ever 45 I bought was Listen to What the Man Said. Back in 1975, bought a Kmart. Listen to What the Man Said, my first 45. Here we go. This one costs a few dollars more. This was, see, that was $5. This was actually $10, but it came with the OB strip. Very cool. OB strip on this one. Okay, let's see what we got. Here we go. Venus and Mars OB strip. I select a little sticker up there. I've seen that on the US pressings. Cover's immaculate. Cover's like brand new. Wow. Front and back. Another A on the cover. Very impressed with this. Gee. I hope all the albums I buy online will be like this. And that one. Okay, let's see. Open it up here. You got the famous, yep. Gatefold. Desert picture. Band on the, Venus and Mars. Okay, well, see what we got here. Let's take a look, see what goodies. 1975, McCartney Music Incorporated, made in Japan. Okay. It's heavy, it's thick. Thick cover, but also heavy. I think some goodies in here. Well, first thing you get, I remember this with the US pressing. You got that Venus and Mars red and yellow ball design. Okay, so let's pull out the vinyl here. Got your plastic sleeve, capital. All right, let's take a look at this vinyl. And again, this was advertised as VG. Wow. It's just as good as Band on the Run. Oop, probably even better. This, I don't see nothing on this. Wow. It looks like it's hardly ever been played. I don't see nothing on this. VG++. Just maybe mint. One little surface scratch. And that's if barely holding to the light. Oh, VG++ on this. Okay, there we go. Venus and Mars. I'm impressed. Okay, sleeve. Into another sleeve. Japanese knew how to take care of records, so I've been reading. Okay, let's see what else is in here, because I see something sticking out here. Okay, so Venus and Mars, what you call the inner sleeves. Well, this is in Japanese with the other McCartney albums. Japanese song titles. Oh. So this one has all the song lyrics in Japanese. First time I've seen something like that. I bought albums in Korea years ago. Korean albums would have English and Japanese, and English would usually be wrong or mistakes, how they translated. This one's all Japanese. Okay, that's your sleeve, lyric sleeve. Okay, that looks like it's it. So you got your inner sleeve. No poster. That's okay. Got your inner sleeve and your original sleeve with the vinyl. All right, that's my score today. Venus and Mars and Band on the Run from Wings, 73 and 75. Japanese pressings, and I got the cool Obi, and the Obi's even great shape. It looks like new. Okay, that's my first vinyl unboxing. First vinyl unboxing here in Korea. Albums from Japan. Thanks for watching. More on the way. Peace out. And keep it vinyl, soul to soul.